How often do you mistrust yourself? How often do you doubt yourself and you seek that validation from people outside or from situations outside, and you're constantly seeking for those signals, those signs. Something just gives me the signal that yes, I'm making the right choice, right decision. So much for the trust outside, but not trusting myself. If it happens with you, then watch this video right until the end. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now an author and a happiness coach, helping leaders build deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you're able to relate with this video, and also subscribe to the channel. Well, a lot of times I see people, and not just people, I've done that for the longest time, not trusting themselves, not placing the trust in their own selves, in their decisions, in their choices, in their thinking, and looking for people outside to place that trust on. I want somebody, who could help me make the decision, make the choice, and I want that validation from outside. And we so desperately want those people outside. We want some signals from and we say, okay, universe has given me that signal, or God is giving me that signal, and we are seeking that all the time. But we will not trust ourselves. Now, all I want to say here is that this is no rocket science. All I'm talking about is try placing the trust in yourself. Any way life is going on, choices are being made, actions are being taken or not taken, and there are certain results, desired or undesired, yeah. But by not trusting yourself, there is an impact that you have, right? There's a feeling that you have that just stays on with you. So when I'm not trusting myself, when I wasn't trusting myself, I would feel low. I would feel that need, that craving to constantly have somebody out there who could support me, who could validate me, yeah. And there was always that inner turmoil. I'm not good enough. I can't be doing this. And by the way, that distrust also comes from certain belief that I'm carrying. I thought I'm not capable of making the right decisions. How can I trust myself when I've not even done this and not even done that, and I can't do this and I can't do that? So we are constantly invalidating ourselves, and therefore we do not trust ourselves, and therefore we are seeking people outside, seeking signals outside, situations outside which will give us a go ahead, right? Just try placing the trust in yourself. Trust me, you won't fall much. You won't fall much that you can't even get up again. So how about doing it once? But when you've placed the trust in yourself and you say, let everybody be, saying whatever they want to say, but this is what I feel and I trust myself and I'm going to move ahead with this, that is going to be a breakthrough. It's going to be a different experience, something that you've not felt before. So just try doing this with so much of distrust in yourself. Place that trust in yourself. Try doing that. Yeah. And I would love to hear from you. Where did you do that? Where did you actually, place that trust in yourself? And then what happened? What was your experience? Right? So go ahead, share with me, hit the like button if you were able to relate, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.